Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds, some of my sinking funds, mainly my high priority sinking funds, and I'm going to be doing my 52-week challenge and my $5 challenge. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. If this is your first time seeing these hands, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My husband and I are consumer debt free, so I am saving a portion of our spending money because I have to get serious about retirement. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. So my 52-week challenge this week, I pulled the number 49, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just double check. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Yeah, 49. So I'm going to get 4 ones, 2 10s, a 5, and 4 ones. 2 10s, a 5, and 4 ones. And I will be stuffing a total of $510, and a portion of that, $100 of that is my YouTube income. So yeah, so 2 20s, a 5, and 4 ones. And yeah, just like the title says, this will be my last time. I'm going to go ahead and stop the 52-week challenge and the $5 challenge, and I'll do a video telling you why, because I have some big goals that I really need to get serious about. And I think the next challenge that I'm going to do is going to push me to really go ahead and do what I need to do. So I had $2.95 in 52-week challenge. So $2.95. You see I'm old school, don't you? Adding on the back of this paper. Pen and paper never gets old. That's always going to be the trend for me. 14. So that makes that $344. And yeah, so stay tuned for that video. It's a big one. You probably don't see it a lot in the budgeting community, but this is something that's been put on my heart to do, and I know I can do it. So I like challenges, and I don't like to fail, so this is going to push me to do some other things in my life, get some other things in order in my life to achieve this goal. So that's the 52-week challenge. So the $5 challenge this week, I love the $5 challenge. This is like my 3rd year doing it. So it's going to be hard not to save these 5s, but I'll be saving them just in a different way. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So I'm going to add $55 to the $5 challenge. And we presently have $315. So when I add the 55, that's going to be $360, 55, and $370. $370. So yeah, so we're gonna add these. Yeah, let me go back and fill that tracker out, because this, when I stop these challenges, I'm gonna need to know the total of these. So that's pretty good. $344 in the 52-week challenge, and $370 in the other one. Almost $700 and something. So yeah. So yeah, that's the challenges. So I know this is a budgeting video, but I got a confession to make, and I want to try to make it fun. Budgeting. So I got a question for you guys. What is the most embarrassing thing you've done that you don't mind sharing? And I'll go ahead and break the ice. I'll tell you the most embarrassing thing that I did that I don't mind sharing is I made a mistake and used my husband's toothbrush one morning. I was like, that's not our toothbrush. But then I was like, oh, that's gross. Then I thought about it. I was like, that's not that gross. I mean, I kissed the man. We kissed, so we still exchanged saliva. I'm sorry, that's too much information, but that's one of the most embarrassing things I've done. So let me know in the comment section something that you don't mind sharing that was embarrassing to you. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with my high priority sinking funds. This is my high priority binder. All the binders that I have will be linked in my Amazon store below. So the main priority is medical, and I picked up these cute envelopes from Luna Creates here on YouTube. I tried to find her channel. I'll try to find her channel again, but I'll go ahead and link her Etsy shop. She's taking a break for the month of July, but I'll still link it. So, you can go in and favorite so that when she opens back up, you'll be able to check her shop out. So these envelopes are from Luna Creates. So medical, I have to get some dental work done at the end of this month, and I need $279. So I presently have $124. So today I'm adding $160 to make it a total of $284. So yeah, so $160, I'm gonna do a $150 and a 10. And so let's see how much we have. So we should have $284. 150, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, now this is wonderful. If I wouldn't have had saved this up, I would just been swiping my card, you know, and taking it all out at one time, which is not good. So I'm glad I saved this up. I've been saving since the first week of June, so that was great. So yeah, so I'm gonna continue stuff in the medical, you know, because you still got co-pays and things you have to pay. So I got my money for my dentist, and I'm gonna actually take cash with me when I go. So I'm gonna put this over to the side so I don't forget, because I go next week, and they accept cash. If I use my debit card, I have to pay a fee, and that's just wasteful when I can just give them cash. So I'm gonna give them this cash. So I'm gonna put this over to the side. So that's it for medical. Next is my granddaughter's driving lessons. If this is your first time here, I'm paying for my granddaughter some driving lessons, which is a total of $230. It's $65 a class. She's already taken 2 classes, so she has 2 more left. So today she has $2 left in her envelope, because I gave my daughter the first 65, and so I'm gonna add 63 today, and I'm gonna have to get this to my daughter because she's already paid for the second one for me, and so this makes 65. So I put this over to the side so I can get this to her. So I have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not gonna put it in the envelope. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And I'm going to fill this tracker out so I can stay on top. I love these trackers. They really keep you, they keep you up to date on your sinking funds. So I did a withdrawal. And I withdrew $65, which is going to give me a balance of 0. So we'll get that last $130 in my next video. So that's it for driving lessons. What we're going to do, car maintenance gets $30, and we're going to do 3 10s. And if you hadn't seen my video, I had to deplete my car maintenance fund. Check that video out. I'll have it linked also. So I've already filled out these trackers. I had $20, so today I'm going to add 30, and that's going to make 50. So I had 20. So I'm going to add these 3 10s, and that makes it 50. So it's building back up. And next, we're going to do home. I'm going to give home $12, 2 ones and a 10. I want some new nightstands. I need to go price them so I can kind of know how much I really need to save. So home has $10, so I'm going to add 2 5s and 2 1s. And that's going to make that 22, 10, 15, 21, 2. So yeah, $22. So let me mark this off as I go. This is my budget sheet I'm using. I got this from Ladybug Budgets here on she has a YouTube channel also, but I got this off her Etsy shop. And her customer service was superb, because I had trouble and she immediately fixed my problem. I think it was more me than her. So I really appreciate that. So yeah, so I did car maintenance, home, and then my new category, I picked up some envelopes. Those envelopes that I got from Luna Budgets. I got another one that says unbudgeted, and then I got one that says I'm gonna be supporting small businesses. And so yeah, here are the other 2. Unbudgeted is going to get $5, and support small is going to get $10. So go ahead and get this started. So this unbudgeted, you know, this is just to catch anything. Even though I have a buffer, my checking account, I still thought it was a great envelope to have. So that's unbudgeted, and support small is $10, and I messed up my denominations because I don't have a 10. Well, I'm doing a 10, a 5, and 5 ones. And guess what? I've already supported a Etsy shop this paycheck, so this $10, and it was actually $10. So this $10 is gonna go back to the bank. Yeah, I know it makes no sense, but this life. So I'm gonna put that right there. So I'm gonna put those up. And the next one is entertainment. That's for, you know, if I want to do anything with my grandkids, which I might do something today. It's supposed to get $60. So let me put these up. Yeah. So entertainment is here, and we have $30, and I've already added the 60 to make it $90. Wait a minute. Okay, I got 20 in the bank. $20 in the bank. I got $10 in my envelope already. That made it 30, and then I'm gonna add 60. I was like, that don't add up to 60. So I got 70. And if I need to, I can swipe my card if I take them somewhere. I know I have $20 more on my card. So yeah. So put this back. And I like to have my trackers facing backwards, because every now and then I like to go through my trackers and just see how much I have. Okay, so that's entertainment. So housing, oh, for vacation, that's my vacation binder. Let me go ahead and mark out the challenge. I already did that. So that's it for those sinking funds. And I got my little cute vacation binder. And for housing, I have housing, wherever we're gonna stay, we're going on vacation, food, gas, or plane tickets, activities, and miscellaneous. All 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 of them gets $5. So I done messed up my money because I don't have no $5. So let me see what I got. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And this, I'm short $5 somewhere. Or I miscounted. So I just took $20. Got 2 10s out of medical and put that 20 in there. I'm still short. I don't know. I figured out after the video, but I'm gonna take these 2 10s and everybody gets $5. And I'm just gonna I skip housing. All these get $5 because I know they do have a 5 in here, so I can make change. Yeah. So yeah, all of them should have 50 now. They had 45 before adding the 5. So yeah, I do it like that. Yeah. So now everybody can get 5. The other 2 can get 5. I gotta find out where I'm short, where my other 5 is. So now everybody has 50. So we'll be on hunt for the other 5. So we got all those, and this last $100 goes into my YouTube envelope from my YouTube check. And I'm in this market for a new camera. I purchased that Mark G7 or whatever it's called, and I sent it back. I ain't gonna say I ain't like it. I didn't take the time out to really learn how to work it, but I'm a little more patient this time, so I'm gonna order it again. So let's find my YouTube envelope. And yeah, because I use my phone for my videos, but sometimes I be wanting to use the camera. So let's see how much we have in the bank for YouTube for my camera already. I don't know. I think I already had like $105, but I've already filled out the tracker for this $100 here. So yeah, that's it. So y'all don't forget to answer that question if you if you don't mind sharing your most embarrassing moment. Yeah, because I was like, whew. So I had to make sure I give us 2 different color toothbrushes. That was funny. My husband was just shaking his head. I was like, oh well. But anyway, so yeah, that's it. I've stuffed the most important sinking funds, and I did my savings challenge in this video, and this is the last video doing the $5 challenge and 52-week challenge. The next video I will, give you my total of both challenges since I started and then tell you about my new challenge that I'm going to start. So yeah, so that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Happy planning, happy budgeting, happy cash stuffing. Have a nice day.